lot of exterior contractors don't realize there's a problem with their estimating until the job is already finished. The work gets done, the numbers come in, and the margin isn't what it was supposed to be. By that point, the job is completed, and the margin is already lost. In this video, I'll show you how estimating works inside Precise Builder and how it helps exterior contractors build accurate, consistent estimates without guessing. Most tools either oversimplify pricing or force you into rigid templates that don't match how exterior jobs are actually priced. Precise Builder takes a different approach. It starts with how contractors already think about estimating: materials, labor, coverage, and real-world formulas. Then it turns that into a system that's faster, repeatable, and consistent across every estimate. Let me show you what that looks like. Inside Precise Builder, estimating starts with something called Smart Kits. Right here in the Estimate Builder, you can see how a kit lets us add a full scope of work instantly, instead of rebuilding estimates line by line every time. Those Smart Kits group together materials, labor, pricing, and scope into reusable building blocks. So if your team installs asphalt roofs, siding, windows, or gutters, those scopes can already be structured and ready to go. That means your team can build estimates much faster while keeping pricing consistent across everyone creating quotes. Next is measurement-based pricing. Exterior work changes based on square footage, linear footage, and overall job size. Instead of doing that math manually or recalculating spreadsheets every time, Precise Builder automatically calculates pricing based on the measurements you enter. Right here you can see how entering coverage updates the totals automatically. Whether the estimate is built in the office or on site, those numbers stay accurate and consistent. Now, here's where margin protection really comes in. As you're building the estimate, Precise Builder shows job costs, gross profit, and margin in real time. You're not guessing anymore. Right here in the estimate screen, you can immediately see whether the job is profitable. If the margin isn't where you want it, you can adjust pricing before the estimate ever goes out to the customer. That way, you're not winning jobs that end up losing money later. And finally, flexible pricing control. Not every job needs the same margin. Some projects require adjustments depending on difficulty, timeline, or customer expectations. Inside the estimate, you can fine-tune markups without breaking your Smart Kits or rebuilding everything from scratch. So you get flexibility where you need it while still protecting your overall pricing structure. The reason exterior contractors choose Precise Builder for estimating is simple. As teams grow, pricing becomes harder to keep consistent, and margins become harder to see. Precise Builder turns estimating into a system, one that keeps your numbers accurate and visible as estimates move into sales, scheduling, and job costing. If estimating feels slow, inconsistent, or risky right now, the issue usually isn't your team, it's the system behind it. Precise Builder is built to grow with your business and keep your numbers clear before you ever sell the job.